Hello traders. So we're looking at gold on the 5-minute chart. Currently, I marked out these levels on Sunday. There's the high of Friday, which is at the top, and then the low of, I think it was Wednesday the previous week. So the first thing I'll do is mark out the Asian low level, and then also mark the Asian high level. Since I trade the Asian range, it's important for me to mark them out so that I determine what I have to work with. So the second thing I noticed is that the Asian session moved quite a bit today. I guess it was 87 pips, which is really good because that means that there's a potential for even more movements. So there's this level that is marked with the break and retest level. I anticipated that sellers should keep the price below that level, but clearly they dipped up and then up again, but now it's down. So I'll mark this level at 1897. Is it 1897? Okay, anyway, I'll mark this level because of the bounces that have been here. So it's a very significant level that I anticipate the sellers should keep the market below that level. But of course, anything can happen. So here's for the first jump cut, I think, as we move into the area. So I'm watching out for Frankfurt Open and then London Open, and then I assess how they respond to Asian levels. That's ideally the basis of my trading plan. It allows me to have an objective look on how the bears and the bulls are responding and who has more power, depending. Yeah, so that's the level that it's 1890.7. Yeah, that's the key level that I anticipate sellers should keep this price below that level. So during Frankfurt opens at that level, and now it's to watch what's going to happen. There are going to be a lot of jump cuts in this video, by the way. I apologize. It could not be helped. So Frankfurt opened. Those are the levels. Nothing significant. I'm still waiting for the price to at least get up to the place where it's marked with the red arrow for sales, and the yellow region below is going to be a potential reaction level. So London opens still below the red, watching to see what happens. Watch out for another jump cut. Yep, there. So London dipped to this Frankfurt level that was previously established and was able to bounce off of this level. So even if you can take a buy from here, it would not necessarily make sense based on my trading idea. So it bounced up all the way to this level. So from here, I'm actually at this point I was really excited because I could feel the trade developing. But of course my computer froze, so we are going to jump. You won't really see what happened there. Yeah, you'll see it from here. I took the trade at that level as I was waiting for it. So now it's all about managing the trade. I expected to trade below London Open. After I trade below London Open, it should continue down, with each of these marked levels being a potential area of reaction. So still staying in the trade, holding steadfast. Yeah. And then, so primarily I trade the 9 to 1 4-hour candle. But today, the way things were slow, the next 4H candle caught me in the markets. But it's okay. I'll just see what happens. I try to not be around when New York opens because New York is still too volatile for me to react to. I'm slowly working my way to that level where I'll be able to handle the volatility in the New York session. But as of now, I just focus on baby steps. I'll get there eventually. So eventually it did break below London Open, and at this point in time, I moved my stop to I halved my stop loss. Then waiting for it to continue. When it trades below, if it does trade below the Frankfurt level that I have previously identified, I'll be able to move the stop to break even. Yeah, so now it's trading below the Frankfurt level. Below. Still not below. Still not below. Yes, now it's trading below. So at this point in time, I moved my stop to break even, and now I'm anticipating it to break that level. But remember, this is a very significant level because previously buyers were able to get the price from this level up to Asian high. So my trading plan allows at least 2 bounces off of a major level. So after this first bounce, I was waiting for another one potentially, so that it could show signs of continued momentum down. But of course, the second bounce never came because it bounced off of that level and went up to take me out at break even, which is fine, no problem. The trade was well executed according to the plan, and it was well managed according to the plan as well. So that's a win in my books. Of course, my computer froze, so I'll just show you a screenshot of what ended up happening eventually. So thank you for watching.